Just changing this one thing can triple your monthly YouTube views. What is it? I'm going to tell you. Welcome back to another episode of Tips with Trina, where I help you do YouTube better. This summer, I kicked off a brand new series called Quick Fix Friday, where in a quick video, I show you one fix to do on your channel that will help you grow your channel. Here's the drill. I'm going to show you what to fix, and at the end of this video, I want you to go fix it and report back to me in the comments below that you did it, okay? So today we're talking about tripling your views. How can you do that? And it's to strategically use your end screen. So the last 20 seconds of your video, you can add a clickable end screen that sends people to a video. But you don't just want to add whatever video you feel are best for viewer. There's a clear strategy. And how do I know this? So I had a client recently where the only thing that we focused on was increasing her end screen click-through rates. Her average click-through rate was around 1 to 2%. So about 1 to 2% of people who saw that end screen actually clicked through. What we did is we thought strategically, if somebody watches video A, what next video would they want to watch? So you want to think about your target audience and the journey they're going through on YouTube. What's their viewer journey? So what if they watch video A? What would they be excited and logically want to watch next in video B? Okay, once you have that video in mind, I want you to make sure you pitch that video to get them to click. So what you don't want to do is, as your video is coming to an end, you don't want to tell them, this is the end, this is the final step. In summary, I hope you like this. Do not do that. You want to go directly from that content you're sharing and pitch them that next video, all right? Then you can go into end screens in YouTube and add that video so that they can easily click through it to watch it. And what happened when we started focusing on that end screen, that case study, that client that I worked with to increase her end screen click-through rates, she went from a 1 to 2% to an 8.5% click-through rate and tripled her views in just 1 month. And a side note, she was only posting one video a week. She didn't change the amount of videos she was posting. We just focused on increasing that click-through rate and she tripled her views. So my call to action for you is, if you want to learn what to be putting down in your description box now that you got more people clicking through watching your videos, make sure you watch this Quick Fix Friday that's on your screen right now, where I tell you exactly what to be putting in your description box to help you get even more views and subscribers. I'll see you over there.